Welcome back to the Sparkles Creation Show. Today, guys, I'm going to paint a flower with paints. So, you can paint it however you want, but I am going to make a special flower. Let's see, I'm going to get my paints and, I think this brush is to dry it off, okay? And I need some blue paint. And I think I want to put some blue paint in the middle, like this. Careful, try not to get out of the lines. Sometimes I do. It's fine. So then you have a flower like that. You have the little circle part in the middle. Just wipe that off, put this here. And if you don't want to use the same brush, it's fine, but I'm going to use the same brush and I just mix it around and then see, it's kind of clean, but then it's still wet, so then you wipe it off in a paper towel. And let's see, I'm going to do the leaves. I think I want to do them red, maybe? I'll use this red for this time. This one. So, then I'll open it and do it for the leaves. Those little leaves right here. Just carefully. Try not to get out of lines. It's pretty easy to get out of lines, but that's fine. It's fine if you do. So then, what you do is you just get it done like that. So then I want one leaf red, and then I close my red. Then you just do the same thing. Get it wet, and then it gets dry, and then you can dry it off on here. It's all wet and stuff. And now I think I want, how about this green? Do I want this green? Let's see. Actually, this green looks really pretty. Looks like a kind of like lighter green kind of color. I think I want that for the other stem. Ooh, that's a pretty color. Really pretty color. I think that is pretty good right now. Now I think I need a little bit of white, maybe. I think I need some white for this part right here. This nice like stem part. Get that nice white like that. And then sometimes you might need to, I think I want to go around the leaves too. Like this. Around the leaves like that. And I really like doing paintings and making things. So I'm really good at this because I've had a lot of practice. But practice makes you better at things, but you're not always perfect with things the first time. The first time you might mess up. You can just try it again if it doesn't work out for you. Oh yeah, that's super pretty. I love my flower right now. I think the leaf parts need some color. This like the petals part needs some color. Let's see. I think I need some yellow here. Yeah, some yellow. I think I want this yellow. Oh yeah, that's a bright yellow. I'm going to use this for the outside liner part right here. dip your brush in the paint to get good. And what I do is I just get a little bit of paint on the end like this, so you don't really have to have that much. And then it actually is a lot of paint for one section, but you don't ever think it will be, but it actually is a lot. And then I like doing that all the way around. And if it's not enough, you just do that again. And whoa, that's super cool. Okay, now all that I need is this flower petal part. I think this time I'm going to use, I have this thick brush, this brush that's thicker, like this. I think I actually want purple, but I don't have purple here. If you don't have purple, what you can do is you can get a red and a blue. So I need this red and this blue, I think. Actually, how about this blue? This little blue. Here. Oh yeah, that's a really good dark blue. And then it's hard to see it here, but you can just put it around there and then you can try your best to get it in the right spot. And let's see. Do I have another? Oh, yep, I do. If you don't have another one, you can just use the same brush twice. I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to lay that one down, and I'm going to use my red color here. I'm going to paint my red on top, gently like this. So that it has like this dark purple color. You don't need that much red to color things. You don't need much red for all that. But we'll need a lot of red for a whole flower petal part. So, yeah. And then I'll just get around here. If you don't have enough of another color, you can just add a little bit more of another color. See? It's so easy. And then you just dip that in there. And then I'll spread that out over there. Aha. And then you need your red, a little bit of your red, and you need to do that too. So then you have that, and then this is, I just need to do one, and this is my last petal I need to do, two. And then now I can put my blue in there. You can just clean your mess up that you have there. Then you can use your red again for that. But that's not all. Now you need white to make it a little bit lighter if you want to. So need to close my blue and my red. Open up, let's see, this white. There we go. And then I'll just, see, now it makes a pretty like lavender kind of color. I like it being lavender, but if you don't want it to be lavender, you can just leave it the way it is. But I like it to be a little bit lighter, like lavender color, like this. It's a pretty color. And then you just wait until you do all of that. And then after that, you can do a couple other coats of things of it. So, yeah, and you can. And I'm going to do like another coat of another color. Like, I think I'll use, now I'll do another coat of my blue color. And then you can just do another coat of it. See, and then it works out like that. And then I think I just need another coat of my yellow around here. And if you drop the brush on the ground, you can just clean up your mess from your brush like that. And then you have your mess cleaned up. And let's see. I think I need some more yellow here. Let's see. If you don't know how to get the paints open, you can just ask your parents to help. But I can open up my own paints because I'm pretty strong with this. Some of them I can't, but some of them are super easy. So yeah, and then I have it around here. I just need another coat of that. Oh, I need some more yellow. And if any of your colors mix, you can just write over it and see what color you end up making. You can mix colors. That makes the color to make the purple. It makes 3 colors actually. And this is my finishing flower. So see you guys later. Bye.